Hello, traders. Today is Thursday, July 10th, and this is my analysis for the Kiwi US dollar, and we are on the 1 hour time frame. So the Kiwi dollar very slow this week. I mean, Monday we had a nice move on all the dollar pairs, but ever since then it's been very slow. To me, I kind of think based on correlated pairs, like looking at all the dollar pairs, I think this is a wave A. I think this made three waves down for wave B. I think we potentially are in a wave C now. I think it's going to go to the 50 or the 61% and potentially end up making at least one more wave down. A lot of this analysis that I'm telling you on the Kiwi dollar is actually coming from looking at other dollar pairs, especially the dollar index itself. So if you do see it go up to the 50 or the 61% and make like an impulsive engulfing turn to the downside, I definitely would take that as a shorting opportunity. So anyways, don't forget to check out my free Discord channel, link down here in the corner. Take a look at my website, fxpipcollector.com. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.